Tell me, Jean-Pierre, why is Britain not represented by a single team at the Six Nations Rugby Union Championship?
Unlike France, Britain, although it is a unitary state, officially recognizes several nations within the United Kingdom: England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. The first three logically have their own rugby teams.
Is the French team representative of France as a whole?
Not at all. France is a centralist state. It does not accept the existence of several nations within the Republic. Rugby may be overwhelmingly played in the south. Occitania, North Catalonia, and the northern Basque Country are not allowed to have teams of their own.
What does the Occitan National Party advocate for rugby?
The Occitan Nation Party demands that France's rugby team should be called Occitania Rugby Team because most of its players are Occitan. It urges France to follow the example of the United Kingdom by recognizing that rugby union and also rugby league are strongly rooted in Occitania, Catalonia, and the Basque Country. The Six Nations Championship games involving this team should be played in the south, as should the finals of the French Rugby Cups.
And for Occitania?
The United Kingdom sets an example by granting Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland a measure of home rule. And the Occitan Nation Party believes that the French Republic should grant home rule to Occitania and all the nations or parts of nations other than France that make up the Republic.
Thank you, Jean-Pierre.